Hey everyone, just got back from Atlanta for the national championship game. Go Bucks! Got a win there, but now we're tracking the winter storm across the south, and we're going to be getting some winter weather here in Charleston, which is kind of wild. It's already started. It's been raining a little bit, but the surface temperatures are below freezing, so we're starting to see some ice accumulation on some of the trees, some of the plants, and then you can see up here, here's my Tempcast. Start to see some icicles are accumulating on the Tempcast right now. So I'll go into WX Horizon. I'll show you the current conditions and what the expectations are for this winter storm for my home. Here's the current National Weather Service watches and warnings, and a lot of these blues actually aren't winter weather advisories. They're just extreme cold watches and warnings because of the brutal cold that's pouring in from Canada. Turning on the feels like layer, you can see this cold spilling into the upper Midwest, where a lot of you up there were in the single digits or even below zero all day today. There are winter storm warnings still stretching from Louisiana all the way into the Outer Banks. But let me turn on the radar and then let's focus on Charleston because that's where I am right now. And I just kind of showed you the current state of things. So we do have some sleet and freezing rain happening right now. Good news is the road temperature is still sitting almost at 40 degrees, so no issues on the roadways at this point. But the air temperature is 31.5, which is why we're starting to see some of that ice accumulating on the elevated surfaces, the colder surfaces like my Tempcast that I showed you. Looking at the forecast in WX Horizon for Johns Island here, honestly never thought I would see this living here, but the precipitation should transition to all snow at about 7 o'clock. Snowfall rates at almost 2 inches an hour at times, which is kind of mind-blowing. And then this might be a little aggressive, especially for coastal South Carolina, but WX Horizon is forecasting about 7 inches of snow on the roads here, which is just wild. So I'll keep track of this as we continue into the evening hours and the overnight for as late as I want to stay up, and I'll post some videos for your enjoyment, hopefully with some snow that I can show on the palm trees down here in South Carolina.